Good day, welcome to Emila online tutorial, and in today we'll still be dealing with a number-based system. Now, but in this case, for this question here, we are asked to find the value of the base of x and y. Now, these are two expressions, which means that 32 base x minus 12 base y gives you 9. Automatically is in base 10. Now, and 23 base x minus 21 base y equals 4. This is also in base 10. Now, what are we going to do here? Now, what we're going to do here first is to expand according to their bases. All right, now let's get started. What we need to do here now is 0, 1, 0, 1, just the simple terms 0, 1, 0, 1. This is to help your understanding. So, if we are to expand this in this case now, this will be 3 times x raised to power 1 plus 2 times x raised to power 0. Now minus, take note that we are expanding, so you include your bracket here. So it is 1 times y raised to power 1 plus 2 times y raised to power 0 equals to 9. Now this is for the first expression. All right, so in this case here, so here we have 3x from here now plus 2. Take note, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So then minus into bracket here 1 times y, you have 1, then plus 2, all equals to what? 9. So with this, now we can have our first equation here, 3x plus 2, then open this bracket minus y minus 2 equals to 9. So here we have 3x, now collecting like 10 minus y, okay, then plus 2 minus 2 equals to 9. So in this cancel out with for this, then here you have 3x minus y equals to 9. Now this is equation 1. Yes, all right, now let's now come for this. In this case here you have expanding this, you have 2 times x raised to power 1 plus 3 times x raised to power 0, then minus, expanding this one also in base y, you have in bracket 2 times y raised to power 1 plus 1 times y raised to power 0, all equals to what? 4. So here we have 2x now plus 3. Take note, this is raised to power 0, so it is 1, then minus into bracket 2y, then plus this is 1, right, then equals to 4. So in this case here, opening this bracket, you have 2x plus 3 minus 2y minus 1, all equals to 4. Now collecting like term here, you have 2x minus 2y, then plus 3 minus 1 equals to 4. So here we have 2x minus 2y, then my plus 3 minus 1 will give us a plus 2, then equals 4. Now transposing this, here you have 2x minus 2y, then equals to 4 minus 2. So here you have, can you see from the board? Yeah, 2x, okay, minus 2y equals 2. All right, so here we have two expressions. Okay, we can see simplify this to give us x minus y equals 1. Now this is our equation 2. So right, so here we have 3x minus y equals 1, which is our equation 1, sorry. Then x minus y equals to 1 is equation what? 2. All right, this is the equation. Now this whole expression now has led us to linear simultaneous equation. All right, with this we'll be solving this. So I'll be cleaning the board and we'll be starting up with this. Okay, from this now we can apply the elimination method, which means, okay, so we have to subtract. Now this 3x minus x here will give us 2x. Now minus y minus y will give us 0. Now you may ask, minus y minus y minus y, minus times minus give us plus equals to, so this. So here you have 1 minus, 8, 9 minus 1, here we have 8. So here we have 2x equals to 8. Now divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x. This cancel this, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So our x equals to 4. Now if our x equals to 4, now put x equals to 4 in either of the equation. Now from equation 2 we have that x minus 1 equals to 1. So putting x